Hi and welcome to our May online workshop. Gosh, May already. So this is how it works with my online workshops. It's absolutely free for you to just view and watch the workshop. That's no problem at all. If you place an order with me, then you're going to get some goodies from me. An order, no matter what size, will always get a mailed thank you card. So you will get a thank you card from me through the mail. And if you spend over certain amounts, you get extra on top of that. So if you spend over £30, you're going to get the thank you card, and you're also going to get my ideas tutorial bundle. I am part of a group of worldwide demonstrators. We've got demonstrators from all the different continents within the group, and we put together an ideas tutorial bundle every month. So you will get ideas for different cards. This month we're doing Fast and Fabulous. So you will get ideas for Fast and Fabulous cards from each of the demonstrators. So you will get lots of a nice mix of different styles and ideas. If you spend over £50, you will get the thank you card, you will get the ideas tutorial bundle, and you will get this month's make and take pack. This is our make and take pack for May. So you can see that we are using some of the new core colours here. So you've got a bit of an introduction to some of the new core colours. And we are using the Bright and Beautiful Suite, and also using the Circle Sayings bundle in here. So this is a great introduction to the new catalogue. If you spend over £70, then you're going to get the thank you card, the ideas tutorial bundle, which is emailed to you. You'll get the make and take pack, which is posted out to you with your thank you card, and there is also a PDF emailed to you just with links to these various videos and just simple instructions for how to put together. And you will also get, if it's over £70, you will get 24 sheets of 6x6 DSP, retired DSP. So you'll get a mix, but there's a little bit of specialty paper in each one, as well as DSP. So that is what you get if you place an order with me by Sunday night. So you've got a bit of time to catch up if you're seeing this on replay. If it's past the Sunday night, there will still be a thank you, and there may be a small bonus. It depends on how much you're spending, but you won't necessarily get the make and take. You would get the tutorial bundle if you're spending over £30, but you're not getting all of the extras. So if you can put your order in before Sunday night, or before the deadline on Sunday night, then you're getting extra bonuses. So let's have a little look through the individual make and take projects one by one. So you can just skip to whichever video you need to be able to watch the different projects.